When a storm hits, homeowners can now have power by using energy storage with solar panels. Homeowners are able to go off-grid, showing how distributed power could speed future storm recovery. Ames Power Inc.'s mission is to provide a wide range of high-quality green energy products for personal and commercial use.
Ames Power developed from a power inverter and cell phone battery company into everything you need: solar panels, mounts, to go off-grid. We're more a do-it-yourself solar provider.
Ames Power has become a one-stop shop for all customers' sustainable energy needs and researching the needs of the renewable energy markets. And he succeeded.
The major benefit of using our products is we are completely off the grid and we're utilizing the sun's power to produce to our building. Solar panels are the way of the future, going away from fossil fuels, and that's what we focus on. We make our own power.
So it can range from a really small RV type trailer environment where maybe 2,000, 2,500 watts. And for a typical house, I'd say at least 30,000 watt system.
Ames provides a complete design using all of our in-house products, whether it's mobile electricity for city buses or residential backup power in an emergency.
You have your solar panels, and that feeds into the actual charge controller. The charge controller regulates that power and charges the batteries and keeps them charged. The inverter discharges from the battery bank and produces the AC power needed for the whole entire building.
We believe in green energy so much, even our own building is off-grid.
So this is a PV combiner box that takes all the solar panels, all 270 solar panels that are wired in series parallel configuration. It goes through a set of breakers and lightning arresters. It combines them down into 3 lines that will feed into the house. And the main purpose is not just safety, but to reduce the amount of wires you're running long distance.
Ames Power inverters are used by some of the most prestigious organizations in the U.S., including NASA, the Department of Defense, and Princeton University. But our customer-focused approach means we can provide solutions to all industries.
In this house, actually, we have power inverter, we have solar panels, we have batteries, we have a generator. So we pretty much, if any time we lose grid power, we can run almost seamless off-grid. So we do have the solar panels that kind of helps offset our power bill because we're using solar instead of 100% grid. But then if we lose the grid, we still have backup power.
So what we're looking at here is a power backup system. We got our solar panel coming into a switch that can turn the whole system off. This is a battery charger that is powered by the solar panels. Then the battery bank will power the power inverter, and the power inverter will light up the lights in the house and a couple outlets. If the batteries ever are completely empty, we can use the city power to recharge them.
I will never be out of power. My food won't spoil if for some reason we're out of power for a few days. Our refrigerator's always powered, we have lights, we have air conditioning, and really a lot of it is safety also.
Large portions of Ames customers are based in Florida, Virgin Islands, Mexico, and Puerto Rico. However, the biggest trend in the energy space is to become independent from the grid by using green alternatives. And Ames products support the off-grid renewable platform, creating financial and environmental advantages to their customers around the world.
When a storm hits, a lot of times you may be stranded without power for weeks or worse. And if you have a small solar system even, you're able to run, whether it be a fan, a couple lights, or recharge your cell phone. It'll automatically recharge when the sun's out. You may use hydro or other ways too, but solar is just the most popular and easy to install.
For more information, visit their website at amescorp.net.